Good morning, students. Now let us solve some NEET-based questions on optical instruments. Now let us discuss about some questions based on microscopes. So question number 80, a convergent lens of power 16 diopter. Means convergent lens means here convex lens. What is the power given here? 16 diopter. Solution. Power given 16 diopter. So diopter means here it is a per meter. Okay. So next, the magnification produced by the lens when the final image is formed at a least distance of distinct vision. What is the value of least distance of distinct vision? That is a 25 centimeter. D is equal to 25 centimeter. Convert this centimeter to meter. So 25 centimeter to meter is nothing but it is a 0.25 meter. 0.25 meter. Okay, so what we have to find now? We have to find the magnification produced by the lens. So it is a simple microscope. Simple microscope means it has only convex lens. Okay, so what is the formula to find the magnification produced by simple microscope when the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision? That formula is m is equal to 1 plus d by f. Okay, so what is power? Power is nothing but it is a reciprocal of focal length. Okay, so power is nothing but here reciprocal of focal length, means P is equal to 1 by f. 1 by f is nothing but P. It is a 1 plus d into P. Then substitute the values, you will get the magnification. So 1 plus d is how much given? That is 0.25. D given, that is 0.25. Then what about power given? Power given is 16. 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. It is a 1 plus 16 by 4. Because 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. Then 16 by 4 is nothing but 4. Then it is a 1 plus 4, that is 5. Means what is the magnification produced by the simple microscope here? That is 5. That option 4 is correct answer. Okay, now let us discuss the second question. What is second question now? The second question is that '82, the objective lens of compound microscope. The compound microscope having the two lenses here. One is called objective lens, another lens is called eyepiece. Objective lens having the short focal length and the eyepiece having the large focal length in case of compound microscope. The objective lens of compound microscope produces magnification of how much? 10. Means magnification produced by objective lens is given. That is MO is equal to 10. Next, in order to get an overall magnification, means total magnification of 100 when the image is formed at 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter means it is the least distance of distinct vision from the eye. The focal length of the eye lens. What we have to find now? Focal length of the eye lens means we have to find FE. Okay, focal length of the eye lens, that is FE. So what is the formula to find the magnification produced by compound microscope? That is the total magnification produced by the compound microscope is 100. It is a overall magnification. The total magnification produced by compound microscope when the image is formed at the least distance of distinct vision, that is MO into ME. MO is nothing but it is a magnification produced by objective lens. ME is nothing but magnification produced by eyepiece. Eyepiece acts as a simple microscope. So we can write MO into ME is nothing but 1 plus D by FE. It is the magnification produced by eyepiece, that is a 1 plus D by FE. Because for the eyepiece now the image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. Then substitute the values, you will get the answer. So what is the total magnification given? 100. Then now I will write 100. MO is nothing but 10, magnification produced by objective lens. It is a 1 plus D by FE. D is nothing but here 25 centimeter. divided by FE, means we are going to find the focal length of eye lens. Then we will take 10 to the left hand side, that is 100 by 10, that is 10 again, that is equal to 1 plus 25 divided by FE. Then I will take 1 to the left hand side, 10 minus of 1, that is 9, 925 divided by FE. We required focal length of eye lens now. So I will take the FE to the left hand side and 9 to the right hand side. FE comes to the numerator and 9 comes to the denominator, that is 25 divided by 9 centimeter. Then which is the right option here? Third one is the right option. So third one is the right option. Okay. Next, question number 84. A microscope consists of two convex lenses of focal lengths 2.0 cm and 6.25 cm placed 15 cm apart. Okay. Then focal length of objective lens can be taken as 2.0 cm and focal length of eyepiece can be taken as 6.25 cm, because in case of a compound microscope, the objective lens having the short focal length and eyepiece having the large focal length. Means what is the focal length of objective lens? That is a 2.0 cm. I will write solution. Focal length of objective lens how much given? That is a 2.0 cm. And focal length of eyepiece given, that is a 6.25 cm. Both are taken as positive here because both are convex lenses. Then both are separated by a distance 15 cm, means separation between the objective lens and eyepiece is called L, that is VO plus UV. That is how much given? That is 15 cm given. Separation given, that is 15 cm, that is VO plus UV. Okay, already you know about the ray diagram for the image formed by the compound microscope at the least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 cm. Now what we have to find now? We are going to find what must the object be, where must the object be placed so that final virtual image is at a distance of 25 cm. Means we have to find the object distance from the objective lens. Okay, means our aim is to find UO. UO means here the distance of the object from the objective lens. So how to solve this one? By using lens formula. Using lens formula. Okay, applying lens formula to the eyepiece now. The image formed by the objective lens acts as an object for the eyepiece now. Distance of the image formed by the objective lens from the eyepiece is taken as UV, and the distance of the image formed by the objective lens from the objective lens can be taken as VO. Then our aim is to find now first UV. How to find UV? By using UV we are going to find VO. If we are going to find VO now, we can easily find the UO, means the distance of the object from the objective lens. Okay, so what is the lens formula? That is 1 by FE is equal to, we are going to apply the lens formula to the eyepiece now. 1 by FE is equal to 1 by VE minus of 1 by UV. So at what distance image is formed by the eyepiece here? That is at 25 cm. Okay, we are going to take the distance of the image formed by the compound microscope from the eyepiece, that is at 25 cm, but it is at the left side, that is why we are going to take minus 25. It is minus of 1 by 25, then it is a minus of 1 by UV. Next, what about the focal length of eyepiece? That is a 1 by 6.25. So now let us take this minus 1 by 25 to the left hand side, that becomes plus 1 by 6.25 plus 1 by 25 is equal to minus of 1 by UV. Then, so what is the LCM of 6.25 and 25? That is 156.25. Multiply these two. that is 156.25. Then 6.25 into 25 is that is 156.25. Then 25 into 6.25, that gives again 156.25. Then 25 into 1, that is 25, plus then 6.25 into 1, that is a 6.25, that is equal to minus of 1 by uv. Then now 25 plus 6.25, that is 31.25, divided by 156.25, that is minus of 1 by uv, but we required uv. Then uv is equal to minus of 156.25 divided by 31.25. So dividing 156.25 by 31.25, you will get the answer, that is minus 5 centimeter. So what is the distance of the image formed by the objective lens from the eyepiece? That is a minus 5 centimeter. So UV means here distance of the image formed by the objective lens from the eyepiece, that is a minus 5 centimeter. Next, now we are going to find VO from this equation. I will call this is equation 1. From equation 1, L is how much? 15, that is equal to, we are going to find VO. Then VO plus UV is how much you got? That is 5. Then VO is equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10 centimeter. That is 10 centimeter. So we are going to take only the distance here, don't take sign here. Okay, so that is how much? 10 centimeter. The distance of the image from the objective lens. See here once again, what is the ray diagram for this one? It is a objective lens and it is a eyepiece in case of compound microscope, and it is a principal axis. Now the object is placed just beyond the FO in case of objective lens. Where its image is formed, its image should be formed in between the objective lens and eyepiece. Then this image is acts as a object for the eyepiece. Now it can be taken as UV, and distance of this image from the objective lens can be taken as VO. Then VO plus UV gives the separation between these two lenses, that is 15 centimeter. Now where is the final image formed? Final image is formed at 25 centimeter. It is a final image. Okay, so now VO, distance of VO, that is how much? 10 centimeter. It is always less than the separation between two lenses, that is a 10 centimeter. By using this one, we are going to find UO again using lens formula. Here we are going to apply the lens formula to the objective lens. So what is lens formula? That is 1 by FO, focal length of the objective lens, is equal to, that is 1 by VO minus 1 by UO. Our aim is to find UO. Then minus of 1 by UO is equal to 1 by FO minus 1 by VO. I will take this 1 by VO to the left hand side, that becomes minus 1 by FO minus 1 by VO. What about focal length of the objective lens? The focal length of the objective lens given, that is 2.0 centimeter. That is 1 by 2 minus. So what is the distance of the image formed by the objective lens given? So obtained here, that is 10. That is a minus of 1 by 10. So what is the LCM here? LCM is nothing but 20. 2 10s are 20 and 10 2s are 20. That is 10 into 1, that is 10, minus 2 into 1, 2. So 10 minus 2, that is 8 by 20. It is minus 1 by UO, but we required UO. Then what about UO now? UO is equal to minus of 20 divided by 8. So you will get the answer, it is a minus 2.5 centimeter. So what is the distance of the object from the objective lens here? That is a 2.5 centimeter. So which option is correct here? The first option is correct, that is a 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So now we are going to solve some NEET based questions on telescopes. Now 86th question. The linear magnification is produced by a telescope having the objective of 50 centimeter and eyepiece of 5 centimeter focal length. Means what is the focal length of objective lens? That is 50 centimeter. I written already here. That is a 50 centimeter. And what is the focal length of the eyepiece here? That is 5 centimeter. Both are positive here because both are convex lenses. Okay. When used to read a scale 3 meter away is, means what is the distance of the object? Scale is nothing but here object here. Distance of the object from the objective lens can be given as 3 meter, but we are going to take negative here because it is at the left of the objective lens. Now we are going to measure the distance at left side now, that is a negative. Minus 3 meter, it is in meter now, we have to convert this one to centimeter because focal lengths are given in centimeter now. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter, 100 into 3, that is minus 300 centimeter now. So first we have to find the magnification produced by objective lens, and next we are going to find the magnification produced by eyepiece, then multiply them, we will get the linear magnification produced by the telescope, means both lenses. Next, how to solve it? So magnification produced by objective lens. Before that we have to find VO using lens formula. Means we are going to apply the lens formula to the objective lens. Then 1 by FO means focal length of the objective lens is equal to 1 by VO. So it is a distance of the distance of the image formed by the objective lens, that is VO, minus of 1 by UO. Now we are going to find VO. So 1 by VO is equal to I will take minus 1 by VO to the left hand side, that becomes plus 1 by FO plus 1 by UO. On substituting the values, so what is FO given? FO given is 50 centimeter, that is 1 by 50. Then what about UO? That is minus 300, means 1 minus of 1 by 300. Then what is the LCM here? LCM is 300, and it is 56 is 300, and it is 300 ones are 300, that is a 6 minus of 1. Then 6 minus of 1 is nothing but 5 by 300. It is a 5 by 300, but it is 1 by VO, but we required VO. Then VO is equal to 300 divided by 5 centimeter. Okay, so we are going to find the magnification produced by the objective lens, that is MO. MO is equal to linear magnification produced by objective lens, that is image distance divided by object distance. So what is the image distance for the objective lens? That is VO. Object distance for the objective lens, that is UO. Then VO is how much you got? That is 300 by 5 divided by, what about UO? That is minus 300. 300 get cancelled, it is a minus of 1 by 5. It is a magnification produced by objective lens. Similarly, we are going to find the magnification produced by eyepiece. First we are going to find the distance of the image formed by the objective lens from the eyepiece, that is UV, means we have to find UV. See here how to find that, again using lens formula, and this lens formula is applied to the eyepiece. It is applied to the eyepiece. So now 1 by FE is equal to 1 by VE minus 1 by UV. So the final image is formed at a distance of 25 centimeter from the eyepiece, that is a minus of 25. It is a minus of 1 by 25. Then what about FE? Focal length of eyepiece given. Focal length of eyepiece given is, that is a 5, 1 by 5. Then it is a minus of 1 by UV. Then I will take minus 1 by uv to the left hand side, then 1 by 5 to the right hand side. That becomes minus of 1 by plus of 1 by uv is equal to minus of 1 by 25 plus plus 1 by 5. I will take right hand side, that becomes minus 1 by 5. Then what is common here? Common is minus. Then what is the LCM? LCM is 25. Then 25 ones are 25 and the 5 5s are 25, that is 5 plus 1. Okay, it is a minus of 6 by 25, but it is a 1 by uv, but uv is equal to 25 divided by 6 minus 25 divided by 6. Then what is the magnification produced by eyepiece? Magnification produced by eyepiece can be written as distance of the image from the eyepiece v divided by distance of the object from the eyepiece, that is uv. So v is nothing but here minus 25 centimeter divided by, what about uv? uv is nothing but minus of 25 divided by 6. Minus of 25 divided by 6. Minus 25 get cancelled. This 6 comes to the numerator, then it is a 6 now. Then it is a magnification produced by eyepiece. Then ME is how much? 6. Then now total magnification produced by the telescope, that is M is equal to MO into ME. MO is how much? MO you got minus 1 by 5. And what about ME? ME you got, that is 6. Then on solving this one you will get the answer minus of 1.2. Minus of 1.2, that is magnification produced by telescope, which is the right option here. The right option is first one, that is a 1.2. Okay, so what negative sign indicates here? The final image formed is the irrealigned, inverted with respect to the object now. Okay, so that is why there is a negative sign. Next we are going to discuss about the question number 87. What is question number 87 here? A telescope consisting of an objective of focal length 60 cm and a single eye lens of focal length 15 cm is focused on a distant object in such a way that the parallel rays comes out from the eye lens. If the object subtends an angle 2 degree at the objective, means so the angle subtended by the object is 2 degree, then the angular width of the image is, means we have to find the beta. So already we know that what is the formula for the magnification produced by the telescope when the image is formed at infinity now. So that is M is equal to FO by FE, and magnification also defined as beta by alpha, means angle subtended by the image to the angle subtended by the object, that is equal to FO by FE. Then so we are going to find the beta now. Then beta is equal to FO by FE into alpha. Then substitute the values here. What about FO given? FO is 60 given. Then what about FE? 15 given. And what about alpha given? That is 2 degree given. This is 2 now. Then 15 4s are 60. 4 into 2, that is 8 degree. Okay, it is the angular width of the image. So once again read the question and solve this one. Okay, next we are going to solve question number 88. An astronomical telescope has an angular magnification of magnitude 5 for the distant objects. Angular magnification is given, that is M is equal to 5 for distant objects. The separation between the objective and eyepiece is 36 centimeter, means L is given. L is how much given? That is 36 centimeter. Separation between objective lens and eyepiece is given, that is 36 centimeter. And the final image is formed at the infinity. Where the final image is formed? The final image is formed at infinity. What is the formula for the magnification produced by the astronomical telescope when the image is formed at infinity? That is M is equal to FO by FE. because here image is formed at infinity. But when the image is formed at near point, now what is the formula? That formula is nothing but FO by FP into 1 plus FE by D. Okay, so remember those formula. But here image is, where the image is formed? The image is formed at infinity now. Then FO is equal to M into FE. I will write FO is equal to M into FE. Okay, so what is our question? The focal length of the means the focal length FO of the objective, means we have to find the focal length of the objective lens, and the focal length FE of the eyepiece means the focal length of the eyepiece. Now we have to find respectively. Okay, so when the image is formed at infinity, now what is the length of the telescope? The length of the telescope is nothing but FO plus FE. Then what about FO from this equation? That is M into FE plus FE. Then what is common here? FE is common. Then M plus 1. What is magnification given? Magnification given 5. Then FE into, then what about this one? L is given, that is 36 centimeter. Then FE, M is nothing but 5 plus 1. Okay, so now 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 6 into FE, that is 36. Then FE is equal to, I will take 6 to the left hand side, 36 by 6, that is 6 centimeter. Then what is the focal length of the eyepiece here? 6 centimeter. And also we are going to find the focal length of the objective lens by putting FE value in this equation. Then FO is equal to, M is how much? 5, and FE is how much you got? That is 6. 5 into 6, that is 30 centimeter. Then what is the focal length of the objective lens? 30 centimeter, and focal length of the eyepiece is 6 centimeter. Which option is correct here? So option 4 is correct, because focal length of objective lens is 30 and focal length of eyepiece is 6 centimeter. Then option 4 is correct answer.